Welcome to JH. If your Focusrite Scarlett isn't being recognized, shows a no hardware connected error, or isn't producing audio, I can help you fix it. Let's walk through the solution. First, inspect your physical connections. Often, the issue is simple. Try swapping your USB-C cable for a different one. Also, plug the device into various USB ports on your computer, as some ports may fail or lack sufficient power. If you're using a microphone like the Shure SM7B, ensure the 48V phantom power button is active. Always check this for any mic requiring external power. If the hardware is fine, let's troubleshoot the software. Start by removing and reinstalling your drivers. Visit the Focusrite website, find your Scarlett model, and download the latest drivers. Delete the current drivers from your PC before installing the fresh ones. Finally, security software like McAfee or Mega can sometimes block Focusrite. Try temporarily disabling your antivirus and then reinstalling the Scarlett drivers. This often solves the problem, so it's worth a shot.